What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do another box opening. Well, not really old sets. Not that old anyway. But opening sets from Divine Lightning Radiance and Butterfly Moonlight. Now, I know it's been a while, but unfortunately I had to wait for my stimulus check and my return to get some boxes. So I started, selling again and probably playing the game until the Overdress Arc box comes out. So, without ado, let's go ahead and start opening one. Let's start with Divine Radiance. Divine Lightning Radiance, but yeah. Alright. Alright. There's the promo. There's the... Alright, let's start with the right side. Let's see what we get. Ooh, Jeffrey. Alright. Oh, both rares. Ooh, Fenrir. It's the set. I already bought the singles, but we'll keep it to sell online, or if I have enough, make another deck. That's like the same rare as I got earlier. Oh well. Twist the camera down a bit. There we go. Maybe I shouldn't buy that single. I bought that single just recently, just fit for the deck. Now I'll pull one. Should have waited. Oh well. So for one triple R, or two, was it? Yes. Another rares. And what? Is this going to be a VR? Oh, another triple R. I think that's all the triple R's in this set. In this box here. Well, that's a double R, so I got two more to go. Or one more to go, technically. Alright. Oh, there's the other triple R. I still need to try that deck out, the Eradicator deck with the Dragonic Descendant. I should wait for this. I bought the other single for that. Oh well. But I need the grade 3 though, so I need to get that or start ordering online again. Oh, there's the crit for Norakami. So far, no VR. This is starting a bit. Man, this sucks too. I bought that single just recently too. I should just buy these singles if I'm going to buy the same box set. But I wanted to deck out already. Ooh, Perrymore. Still need to make that gold paladin. Ooh, this is not good. Where the hell is my VR? SP. Where's my VR? Huh. Is that share pack? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Huh. We'll check, but unless I didn't get a VR in the box. Oh, this is the VR. Ugh. Well, wasn't nice. I forgot that's a VR. It's a crappy VR. But it's a VR, plus, unfortunately. Alright. Let's open the other box. same die. Oh no, that's a different clan. Never mind. This time, let's do the left side. Hopefully, something good. An SP Gorbadoc. Nah, not the one I really want, but hey. Could be worse. Oh, this is a trigger for Angel Feather. Oop. Another rares. My Murakami says almost done. I'm just gonna get Vanquisher, but Vanquisher is still freaking high. Oh, there's my first VR for this. I don't know if I need another one. Hopefully I didn't buy one. I still need to check that deck is complete or not. Look at that, another Nacio. Well, that's gonna have to go with TCG player. I don't think I'm gonna make my money back here. But I know these sets have gone down in price because the new set's coming out. Rock Climb. Oh, there's a Vanquisher. Alright, let's see again on the right side here. More rares. Too bad you got trapped. That's sad. Oh, come on, really? Well, hope I have enough to make a deck out of it. Probably not that great, but there's the other Gorbadoc. I actually kind of need it for the deck, sort of, but it's not that. Unfortunately, it's not that pricey. There's again. I think that's all the foils in this damn set. Look at that, Vanguard. Yeah, I got crapped out in this set. Alright. Well, I'm hoping to get something good in Butterfly Moon. Let's go ahead and start with the other one. Put this aside. Alright. Now, here we go. Let us start with the right side this time. Already hitting me with the VR. Night Rose! I wonder how much Night Rose is going for. I think going up in price. That actually might help me in my price bit. Zentetsu. Can't pronounce it. Ooh, Grand Blue Searcher. I don't know how much it costs now. Hope it's above like $5. Would be nice. I'm getting all my freaking foils on this side here. Edge of Darkness. Speaking of darkness, I still need to make my I gotta go back and make Darker Regular deck. I haven't made one for a while now. I still need to get it from the old sets a bit too. Alright, let's see what we get on the left side. Do we get another VR? Or SP pack? There's the triple R. Still gotta make that deck again. I haven't really tried it and I sold it for a decent price, but Swordmaster. Nope, another rare. Another rare. Ooh. Is it a foil? Oh, it is a foil. Aha, Yasui. Oh, two more of the deck. That felt weird. It's more stiff than usual. Oh. Alright. It's not bad. Now for the last box. I'm hoping we get at least an SP pack. But never know. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, dislodged there. Alright. Let's go ahead and start with the right side first. Here we go. Ooh! There. Speaking of an SP pack, yes! Oh, that is lovely. Night Rose, Ghost, Columbard, Banshee, Grenache, Dijin, and the Quick Shield. That is nice. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Oh, okay. That sort of made it all worthwhile. Alright. Let's see what we get here, though. Oh, look at that! Yasui! It was the first pack, too, so... Oh, man, that was good. Ooh. Gilderiz. Oh, they're the other Yasui. I think I have enough for the deck. I gotta check. If not, I'll go back to TCG Player and get some. Ooh. That means all the VRs are gone, I think. I think so. Oh, look at that, Columbard. Not rare again. Zenitsu. I can't remember like I pronounce it. Darkness. I'm going real quick here since I already pulled the good stuff. There's no point like savoring what I'm gonna get. That's mostly what I want anyway, so that's sort of helpful. Yeah, it looks like I'm not gonna get another VR. I'm getting all the double R and triple R's here. And yep, that's it. So, besides the SP pack, that was worthwhile then. Alright guys, those were my pull. Hope you enjoyed the box opening. I'll see you guys in the next opening. I'll probably get some clan selection, so let's see. Alright, here we go.